Welcome to the Unexpected Off-Road. We have quite the adventure today. We're doing some mine exploring and finding some fall colors. We definitely like to stop and take in views just like this. Look at this field of boulders. Isn't that awesome? Beautiful British Columbia. I believe this is what they meant. Check out that view. We're coming up to an old abandoned mine, and this is the ore chute used to load up trucks and haul the ore down the hill. Exploring an old abandoned mine has always been on my bucket list. It was really cool to have the opportunity to go explore this. Check out these old ore chutes. It's amazing they're still there. It's hard to see on camera, but this was quite the large cavern. And look at that! We made it right through. This is the top of the ore chute we saw from down below. Might be fun to go for a slide down it. This trail gets a bit skinny in spots, just like this. This trail has awesome views around every corner. This is my camping setup, an R-Pod 179. What I love best about this is I can set up a base camp and then go explore out on the trails. Fall colors are just like this in the Okanagan. It's mostly ground foliage that makes up all the colors. Look at those beautiful fall colors. Going out with a good group of friends is always fun. Alright, I'm going for the skinny trail. Here we go. Deep fried turkey. Man, it was good. Nothing's better than getting an awesome sunset like this at the end of the day. Thanks for coming along on my adventure. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button.